In this video, we will be reviewing step-by-step instructions for entering an IDGS Community Class invoice. We will start off by logging to the eVeroPortal app. We will enter the username and password that we previously selected. And we will select Sign In to log into the system. Once we are signed in, we will see the dashboard page. We will exit this page by clicking Close in the upper right-hand corner under the battery bar. And we will close out of our iOS minimum operating software pop-up by clicking the X in the upper left-hand corner under our individual's name. We now see the launch pad for our menu page. We will click on the Invoice button to begin. To add a new invoice, we will make sure that our Invoice button is on Add and not View. If we wanted to review previously entered invoices, we would click on the View button and then select the month for which we wanted to review. But again, to add a new invoice, we will make sure to select Add. For the sake of today's training, we will be entering an IDGS community class for reimbursement. We will enter the following information for the invoice. First, the date that the service occurred. Please note that if you're entering more than one date, you should enter the most recent date that the service occurred. We will then drop down the program and select SDS, Individual Directed Goods and Services. We will drop down the category and select Community Classes and Publicly Available Training and Coaching. We will drop down Paid To and select the person for which we are seeking reimbursement. We will skip the 1099 required, associated vendor, and check memo sections as they are not required fields. Next, we will enter the amount for which we are seeking reimbursement. This amount should match the amount on our receipt. We will then enter a description for our community class. And then click Done to save. For our final step, we will click the purple button to the right of the word Attachments that says Add. We will be prompted to select our attachment from Camera, Files, or our photo library. A file description will pop up on the screen. You can edit the description if you wish, but it is not required. We will then click OK to upload the file. Please refer to the AIMS IDGS reimbursement resource for detailed information on required documentation for each individual IDGS category. This can be found on AIMS website under Self-Direction, Budget Tools, under the Individual Directed Goods and Services tab. Once our attachment is uploaded, we will click Save in the upper right-hand corner. On our attention screen, we will click OK. Our IDGS community class invoice is now saved and submitted for reimbursement. To make any changes to the entry, toggle over to View and to the invoice and tap it to reopen and edit. Thanks for watching.